loves, welcome back to my channel.
You don't know what love is if you told it a million times. And you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh. I swear you never seen it.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. So just a side note, I literally recorded this video in October, the end of October, so it's very late. My hair looks a hot mess. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys thank you so much for 1K. Couldn't have done it without y'all with sharing and liking and watching my videos. So I just want to say thanks, and it's only up from here. Okay, 2021, let's get it. And I'm gonna let y'all get back into this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I accomplished these really small knotless box braids that I did all on my own, no help, parting all by myself, stress all by myself, everything. I'm going to show you what I use. So basically for the gel, I used the Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold with honey extract, and it looks like this. And the braiding hair that I used was by this brand, Braid Babe, and in the color 2. And this is like a really dark brown. I only bought 3 packs of hair, then I only used 1.5 packs, which is just because these are super thin. If they were thicker, then I'd probably use all of the hair. This took me 24.5 hours. I counted the exact amount of hours so I could let you guys know that this is no joke. I believe there's about 99 or 95 braids in my hair right now. I counted it, yes, because I was bored. So mentally prepare yourself. But yeah, so make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button so you're notified every time that I post a video. And yeah. So for those of you who struggle, and I mean struggle really bad with parting, this is just the way that I do it. It's really important you give yourself enough time, especially if you try doing this exact style, because it's very visible. Like the parts super visible with this style, so you want to make sure that they're super perfect and squared off. And what I did first was just section off my hair before I started doing the boxes. So as you can see here, like I've already done 2 sections, and I'm going to be doing about, I want to say 2 more. Yeah, and then I start boxing off the parts so I could start braiding, and then you know, you'll see. But yeah, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to parting my hair because I just want them to be straight, you know, and crisp. It's just so satisfying to look at too. Okay, so it's time for us to braid, guys. Basically I just put the gel around my roots, not too close to my scalp, because I didn't want to, you know, start the whole build-up process on my scalp, because that's not fun. It's super itchy and it's annoying. But I just start off with a regular braid, and you also want to make sure that you have your hair already laid out for you. So just make sure that you set that up before you start so that it's just easier to grab. As you can see, I'm just taking some really small piece, and I'm trying my best to show you guys how I did this. But you're gonna treat the braiding hair as if it's your hair as well. So whatever strand was going to go under or over next, that's the strand that's also gonna have the braiding hair and go under as well, or over as well, as you can see right there. And I'm gonna show you guys this about 3 more times, and hopefully you'll have caught on by then. Or if you haven't, just keep practicing, because we know that practice makes perfect. I'm sure you heard that a million times throughout your life. But I'm going to show you guys 3 more times after this. And don't be discouraged if you don't catch this on the first try. Don't worry, because the first 4 braids that I did do not even look good. But I got fed up, so I just left them how they were. No one's going to see them anyway, but yeah, so just take your time. When you start to run out of hair, that's when you would want to add another piece of the braiding hair. So how I do this is I just put that strand that I grabbed over the right and left pieces and proceed to braid under or overhand. It depends on whatever style you do. I usually braid underhand, so either the right or the left strand will go under and continue the braid. So here is my hair the next day. I finished the majority of it. Of course, I'm super clumsy, but here is what it looks like. They're really small, guys, but you see like how the parts look? They look pretty decent. So that is what I'm trying to stress to y'all. Make them crisp or nothing, okay? This marks the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super tired, as you guys can see. This took me like forever, but I really like them. I hope you guys like it too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna just let this play out because like look at it, like I did a lot. Like I put myself on the shoulder for this, honey.